result, whilst Matt's gone to check us in to get our key cards for our door, I'm going to quickly show you what we bought from Walmart. We didn't expect to be buying ladders from Walmart tonight. We just bought the essentials because when we get in, we've got to order a brand new fridge to be delivered. So we've only got a few food items. Matt had a quick look to see what ladders they had got, and they had only got these ones that he'd already picked out on the Walmart website, and then had one left. So we grabbed them whilst they had it because we don't have any ladders in our condo, and we're going to be changing some light fittings on this trip. So if you are new to our channel, me and Matt own this condo in Florida. Yeah, everything's fine here. Yep. It's the bathroom. Or one of the bathrooms. Everything looks fine, Matt. Yeah. Yeah, everything's fine. Wicked. And this is our ensuite. So we have got 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. 2 balconies, one out there and one out there. Welcome to our travel day and our first day here in Florida. This wasn't how we planned to start the video, but we arrived in our condo and things already haven't gone to plan. So after we checked in last night, we unloaded our shopping, we got in. By the time we unloaded our cupboard and all our stuff and packed things away, it was 12:30 in the morning here in Florida, which means it was 5:30 in the UK back at home. So our body clocks, we basically pulled an all-nighter, so it was absolutely shattered. We had a shower, we got in bed, but something else has broken in our condo. Oh, in fact, something else broke before we got here, which was our aircon unit. So today is Sunday, and Thursday night, so 3 days ago, we had an email from our property manager saying that our aircon unit had broke. Now, the property manager had the maintenance team come out and have a look at it. Luckily, it was just the, I think they called it the blower motor. So the aircon unit itself is fine, but it was the motor that blows the cold air through our condo that had broke. So that cost us $700 to fix it. So that was 3 days ago. We saw them on our video doorbell come and fix it for us. It was a huge box. I don't know how big the part was. They fixed it. Matt logged onto our smart thermostat app and we could see that it was working and the temperature had dropped. So it's working fine. So that was that fixed just before we got here. So now we've got here. So it is the next morning. We've got up, we've got ready, we've had some breakfast, and we've ordered our fridge, which is coming on Wednesday. Because if you've watched our previous vlogs on our last trip, we had a surprise that our fridge had been broken by some guests. It was on its way out anyway, but added to that as well, we decided to buy a new fridge on this trip because we no longer rent out our condo anymore. So it's just going to be me, Matt and my family that use it. So this morning I put some washing on, loaded the washer, washed it. So went back to it after it had finished, and to our surprise, all this, oh, you can still see it. All this is flooded. Now we've not mopped it all up because Matt has just nipped down to front desk to get the maintenance team to come on out and look at it, and we want them to see the water on the floor and for them to track where it's coming from. So we hope that, so this is our aircon unit, and we think that they might have shoved this out of the way to fix our aircon unit, and in the process we are hoping that the hose at the back has just come loose, and that's where all this water is coming from. So that is best case scenario, because we really don't want to be buying a brand new washer and dryer on this trip because we've just bought a fridge. I think it cost us $735 I think for our fridge, and we also had to pay for the haul away to remove our old one. So yeah, we don't want to be buying a brand new one of these on this trip, ideally. But we'll see what happens and let you know in this video. So it has been a couple of days since we last recorded the last clip, and today is our new appliance delivery day. Today we've got our new fridge coming, and we've also got our new washer and dryer coming. We made the decision after the maintenance team came out and he took off all the panels. It had obviously been leaking for quite a long period of time and it was totally rusty inside. So we did make the decision to buy new. So after the maintenance team had gone, we were shopping around for a new washer and dryer. Matt managed to find a Samsung washer and dryer from Lowe's. So we went there and got that ordered for today. So yesterday we was at Epic Universe all day, and that will be the next video that you see. But the day before that, so the day after we ordered it, we had to get basically everything ready for them coming today because we was out all day yesterday. So Monday we got out our old washer and dryer because for the installation, it is free installation for Lowe's, but they don't remove your old appliances out for you. You have to do that. So it was an absolute nightmare because these are our old water pipes. So when you order from Lowe's, and it's probably pretty much anywhere, you have to also pay for brand new, all the connections. You can't use your existing connections. They will refuse to install your new appliances to old connections. And these old connections and the cable for the washer and dryer, they're all only 3 foot long. So just an absolute nightmare to get the old washer and dryer out because we couldn't pull the washer and dryer forward out here to then disconnect all the cables. But luckily, all new connections now, they're all 6 foot long. So we've got 6 foot cables coming, so it should be dead easy. We'll be able to put a new washer and dryer here. They'll be able to connect it from here outside and then just shove it back. Whereas me and Matt couldn't do that to get it out, and just an absolute pain in the arse. So our old washer and dryer are here ready. We've ordered a Samsung washer and dryer. It was the best deal that we could get because places currently still have Labour Day sales. It cost us a grand total of just short of $1,700. That includes the washer and dryer, plus all the brand new connections that you have to buy for them. What was it cover, Matt? Oh, the 1,700.
Yeah.
Plus, so there's a washer and dryer, all the new connections you have to pay, plus the haul away, plus the delivery charge, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's actually worked out really well. We've got the washer and dryer coming between 8:30 this morning and 12:30. They give you a 4-hour delivery window. And then our fridge is coming between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. So it's worked out really well because we're struggling to put them out the way. So they've had to go there so they can just chuck them outside, bring our new ones and then take them away. And after the washer and dryer's gone, we're going to then sort out our fridge. So this is going today as well. So it has been a good few days since we last recorded a clip, and that's because we've just basically had a nightmare of a week. So Monday, Matt took off our original door lock, which was to the on-site management company that belonged to them. So we did speak about it in our last trip in May, about this September trip and what we had planned for it. But if you are new to our channel and you've not watched any of our previous videos, basically we ended our contract with the on-site management and we've gone for an external management company. When the contract ends, you have to give back all the items that are theirs, and one of them is the door lock. So Monday, Matt, bless him, he removed the old door lock. It was a massive job. It was the whole thing had to come out, and we replaced it with our own UFI smart lock. It works absolutely brilliantly. He's done an absolutely fantastic job. It looks really smart. It works really well. We've been using it all week, so we're super happy about that. So that was Monday. Tuesday, we went to Epic Universe, which is going to be the next video that you see. So I had a fantastic day Tuesday and we filmed loads of footage for you. To make it easier, I'm just going to read the message that I sent my mum. My mum asked, she asked if our appliances did come, and I sent her a message explaining what an absolute nightmare that me and Matt have had over the past few days. So I'm just going to read it. I'm just going to read exactly what I sent to my mum, and it'll just explain what we've gone through. But hi Mum, I don't know where to start of the absolute nightmare we've had. The fridge went perfectly fine and that was delivered first yesterday, so I've sent this on Thursday. Then the washer and dryer turned up yesterday, but they couldn't install it because the water hoses were corroded onto the pipe, so they couldn't/wouldn't remove it in case they damaged the pipe work, which we understand. So they rearranged for delivery for today. Yesterday we contacted on-site maintenance and they came and got the hoses off for us. The washer and dryer turned up today again and the guys couldn't install them because it was too tight of a gap. So they just dropped them off and left. The electrical socket on the wall was broken, so Matt had to replace that. Then the waste hose wasn't long enough, so we had to buy a hose extension. When we did get it all wired up, it was an absolute nightmare to get in the tight space and for Matt to get out without pulling the plugs out the wall. It took us the entire day installing it. We finished at 10 PM tonight. I've done 2 loads of washing and it's absolutely fine, luckily. That has been basically mine and Matt's week this week. It's just been, the wash and dryer was just an absolute nightmare. Is our brand new fridge. Looking very swanky compared to the old one. Gone for insignia, which matches our cooker and microwave. It's absolutely huge. It's the same size as the last one. We've got hardly anything in there because obviously we couldn't buy anything to put in it because we didn't have a fridge. And then the freezer pulls out. Another drawer on top. Yeah, super happy with our fridge. That went absolutely fine. And this is our brand new washer and dryer. They are both Samsung. They are absolutely huge. They are the exact same size as our old washer and dryer. But the difference is, our old washer and dryer, the washer was a top loader. So you lifted it up and put your washing in, and now this is a front loader. It's absolutely huge. It's an absolute nightmare because of the gap down the sides. So I had to hook it up out here and then push it back into this gap. So yeah, absolute pain in the arse. Never again am I doing this. It was just horrendous. So hopefully these will last us for a very, very, very long time. So we are actually really glad that we have decided to get a brand new washer and dryer whilst we're here for a month, because it's took up multiple days. We've had to stay in multiple days because of the deliveries, because the slot you get is like 7 till 7. So we've had to just stay in and wait. So we're super happy that it's all over and done with now, and now the fun can finally begin. At the start of the video, I decided to do a montage of our travel day, because if you've seen our previous travel day videos, we didn't do anything different whatsoever. It was just the exact same. So I thought I'm just going to do a quick montage instead. Our flight with Norse was absolutely flawless. We left bang on 2 o'clock, bang on time. It took us 8.5 hours to get to Florida. Really, really happy with the whole travel experience with Norse. The only negative that we do have is that the films on Norse were absolutely worse than ever. They were terrible. Just nondescript films, stuff you've never heard of. Luckily, they did have 2 Harry Potter films and they changed them. So they changed it to, I watched Chamber of Secrets and the Half-Blood Prince. So really happy that at least those 2 films were on. Matt didn't watch absolutely anything on the plane because he couldn't find anything, and he played on the Switch the entire 8.5 hours. We do absolutely love Norse. We've never had a problem with them up to now. We've flown with them multiple times. We've always been really happy with them. It's just you've just got to be aware that the films are absolutely rubbish. And just this time around, the choice of films were even more rubbish than any other time we've flown with them. But apart from that, everything was great, and we do absolutely love flying with Norse. So we are here in Florida for an entire month. Please let us know in the comments below your recommendations of where to go for food, you know, things to do, where to visit, Disney snacks, Universal snacks, please let us know your recommendations. So the next video that will be uploaded on our channel after this one will be Epic Universe. We've got loads of content coming up on our channel, so if you are new, please hit that subscribe button. It helps our little channel massively. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!